Hello students, today we are going to start lesson 7 fractions. Students, we have already learnt about fractions in class 4. Let us recall. A fraction is a part or parts of a whole. Look at the shaded portion in these figures. Here 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 3 upon 8, 7 upon 8 are called fractions. A fraction is of the form numerator upon denominator, where denominator is not equal to 0. Like and unlike fractions. The fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. Example: 4 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 6 upon 7, 1 upon 7, 2 upon 7. Here, all the denominators are same. The fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Example: 2 upon 7, 11 upon 13, 1 upon 9, 4 upon 5, 3 upon 8. Unit fractions. Look at these fractions. 1 upon 7, 1 upon 9, 1 upon 11, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 5. In each of these fractions, the numerator is 1. Such fractions are called unit fractions. Proper fractions. Look at these fractions. 5 upon 7, 3 upon 11, 1 upon 9, 6 upon 7, 11 upon 15. In each of these fractions, the numerator is less than the denominator. Such fractions are called proper fractions. Improper fractions. Look at these fractions. 11 upon 9, 23 upon 12, 14 upon 11, 20 upon 13, 11 upon 11. In each of these fractions, the numerator is greater than the denominator. Such fractions are called improper fractions. Equivalent fractions. Look at these fractions. Here, 1 upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 8, which is equal to 4 upon 16. These are called equivalent fractions. We have already learned to form equivalent fractions by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number. Example: 1 upon 3. In this case, if we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2, we get 2 upon 6. 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 6 are equivalent fractions. Another example: 3 upon 5. If we multiply both 3 and 5 by 7, we get 21 upon 35. 3 upon 5 and 21 upon 35 are equivalent fractions. Let us now learn to form equivalent fractions by dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. Example: find an equivalent fraction of 15 upon 20. The prime factorization of 15 is 3 multiplied by 5, and the prime factorization of 20 is 4 multiplied by 5. Highest common factor of 15 and 20 is 5. If 15 and 20 are divided by 5, we get 3 upon 4. So 15 upon 20 and 3 upon 4 are equivalent fractions. Reducing a fraction to its lowest term. A fraction is said to be in the lowest term if its numerator and denominator are co-prime numbers. That is, the HCF of the numerator and denominator is 1. To reduce a fraction to the lowest terms, the numerator and denominator are divided by their HCF. Example, reduce 24 upon 36 to the lowest terms. Solution. We first find the HCF of 24 and 36. The common factors of 24 and 36 are 2 multiplied 2 and 3. The highest common factor is 2 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 12. When 24 and 36 are divided by 12, both we get 2 upon 3. Here we got 2 upon 3 by dividing the numerator and denominator by the HCF. Here 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers. Thus 24 upon 36 is reduced to the lowest terms as 2 upon 3.